I like it. Can I finish it? Nice. Kabugso, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabugso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabugso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make Ipanema Mocktail. So this Ipanema Mocktail is without alcohol. Means you're right, without alcohol. This is for you. I know some of you is not drinking alcohol, so I made it for you this one. So for the Ipanema, you need only this ginger ale, sugar syrup, and lemon fruits, orange fruits, and lime fruits. So let's start for the Ipanema Mocktail. So mga kabuso, first, can cut the lemon, 4 pieces of lemon wedges, 4 pieces, and lime as well, 4 pieces also, 4 pieces lime wedges, and orange as usual, 4 pieces also, 4 pieces wedges, but you can cut small only, yeah, don't cut big one, big size. Just, you know the sizes. So if you have a big size of glass, you can cut whatever you like. And modeling. So also this is nice taste. So for your modeling slowly, make surely, but don't broke the glass, huh? If you do like this. So almost done mga kabunso. So now put all together and then put 5 ml of brandy syrup, and of course put some ice. Wow, so you can see also, and fill up with ginger ale. Wow, look at that, amazing. This one, see, same like fruity juice. See, combination with lime, lemon, orange, with ginger ale, with the grenadine syrup is looking nice. Okay mga kabunso, almost done. And put some garnish. Put lime wheel and some straw. Nice. See mga kabunso, your Ipanema. Cheers. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share. So mga kabutso, thank you very much once again. And as usual, this is the enjoyment moment for the bartender like me for tasting time. Wow! I like it. Can I finish it? Nice. So mga puso, thank you very much for watching your Ipanema. Cheers!